Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Charlotte Ashman. Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything educational and inspirational. Now, this video is designed to help students to prepare for their ability test. So, if you know someone who is getting ready for their ability test, please share this video with them. Now, the ability test is comprised of two main components. You have the verbal reasoning and you have your quantitative reasoning. Now, I have three resources available to help students to prep for the ability test. This is my first resource. It is the PEP practice for grades 4, 5, and 6 students, the ability test workbook. Now, this workbook promotes critical thinking by using a number of strategies. I use figural reasoning, I use spatial reasoning, I use quantitative reasoning, and comparisons, calculations, sequences, categorization, word patterning, probabilities, estimation, opposites, similarities, symmetry, sentence order, logical deductions, and I also use inferences. So this is a great tool to help students to develop their critical reasoning skills. You can get this workbook at major bookstores in Jamaica. It's $2,200. All right, you should get this workbook if you're preparing for the ability test. Now, this workbook is more focused. It's dealing with the quantitative reasoning aspect of the exam, and it's PEP practice for grades 4, 5, and 6 students, quantitative reasoning, volume 1. It's $650 and it's available at Kingston Bookshop and Brian's Bookstore. So you should get this workbook. It's really going to help you with the quantitative reasoning aspect of your exam. I guarantee that it will help you. And for the verbal reasoning aspect of the exam, we are helping students via our website, learninghub.online. So let me pull that website so you can see the resources that we have available for you. So we're on the Learning Hub website and we have our verbal reasoning workbook. Let me just zoom in so you can see better. So it's the ability test past paper type questions and it's verbal reasoning volume 1. Now, if you are a member of the Learning Hub, you can get access to the questions in workbook. We have tons of questions. Focus on particular areas that will definitely help you to prepare for the exam. So you have answer names, you have sentence completion, sentence arrangement, homonyms, logical selection, word puzzles, word and letter matrices, you have inferences, all the areas that you need to help you to prepare well for the verbal reasoning aspect of the exam is incorporated in this particular workbook. Now, today we are going to be looking at the first question in this workbook. So we are going to be looking at the first question in the ability test workbook, this workbook here. So if you have this workbook, just pull it out and we're going to be going to exercise 1, question 1. I'm going to use the online version. We do have the book online. So I'm going to pull the ability test. And that's what we are going to be using. So there we have the book online and I am going to zoom so you can see. And yes, we're going to work question 1. Now, the question says, which number replaces the question mark? Which number replaces the question mark? Now, I am looking at the first box and it has a 10 at the bottom, a 6 and a 4 at the top, 9 at the bottom, a 3 at the bottom, a 1 at the top, 5 in the middle. And the question that we're looking for where the question mark is, it's the third box, 7 at the bottom, 3 and 2. All right, so what you want to do, students, you want to look for a pattern that will work for all 3 boxes, right? So I see something. So look at this. 10 minus 6 gives you 4. And if you subtract the top number from the answer here, you're going to get 0. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6, and 6 minus 1 gives you 5. So we're going to do the same thing here. 7 minus 3, that's going to be 4, and 4 minus 2, you should get 2 for here. Now let's click on 2 and see what happens. That is correct, bright like that. Now, in the interactive book, we do have explanations. So let's click on the explanation button and see what happens. Awesome, 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 awesome. So thank you so much for watching this video. We'll be doing tons of ability test videos. So I do look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Goodbye.